So welcome back to the channel. So today is gearbox attempt put together and see if it starts. So let's get on with it. So first thing to do is to get the area cleaned up, because obviously this has been exposed for what, 8 months, 7 months. So I've just used some brake cleaner, clean cloth. Gonna go over it once more, and then I should be happy with that. Get these edges cleaned up as well before putting on the new gasket onto the cover, and then go about putting it together. Now I'm not even sure if it's even gonna work, but we're only gonna know if we try. So this one is the old gasket. To be fair, it doesn't look so bad, but again, it's a little bit worn. And this one is the new one. So again, nice and new. So now we'll crack on with, need to get the cover emptied, get some brake cleaner in that as well. Make sure that's all clean of all grit and other messes. And Chris has come to help me. There he is.
Morning, Shagger.
How are we doing? So there we go, between myself and Chris, we managed to find this tight spot. So that's the unit in. It's got 10 T30 bolts, we believe, to tie that down. Now I have put this black connector on, but watching a different video I need to disconnect that, put the bolts in, and then that feeds down the side. So we'll crack on with buttoning it up. So Chris is now trying to get the T30 bolts in. Just went and purchased ourselves a nice T30 socket. Should make it easier. Because there's the one we've got on the top of it. These are in. And then go down the side. 1, 2. So there's 5 down this side. Those 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it up here? Nope, that one's got. Is that it? No, that's not here. Is that it? Right there. It's found 2 holes. This time not so fast. And the down. Is that it? That one there? See that there on the camera?
Yeah.
Right there, slap right in the middle there.
Could be.
In the middle of the plastic. Does that? No, it's not. That's that thing there, isn't it? Yeah. What is that? See what I'm saying there? What is that? No, it's not that. It's not that. Mental note to self: next time, fucking take a picture of a Mecatronic before you take it out, or put all the bolts where you think they go before you tighten it in. What did you find? Oh no, yeah, that's the gasket one. So that's for the cover, that hole that you got your finger on.
You sure?
Yep, 100%. Nothing along here. There seems to be nothing up here. That's the hole I thought was all just wrong. Yeah, because he literally went 5 down one side of that, and then there was 4 along here, wasn't there? So that'd be 1, 2. It's definitely gonna be there because I can see that one that's been put in here at the top. See it there?
Yeah.
On the camera.
Have they all got seats on them?
I think so.
There's no here, no seat.
It's like a threaded bolt. I could try it. Try that. Because I think that all them ones.
I mean, is that an all for? No.
No, it's not. Is it not? Because you counted 4 around this thing, didn't you? So there's 1, 2. I thought maybe here, but it's not there. And we've got the one on this side. Yeah, so that one's in on this side here. And then everything's buttoned up on this end.
That's grappling.
Jolly good. Fucking hell. Well, it is, mate, innit? Thing is, though, we've actually just been looking all up in the top of that, and it was just there chilling on the side. Just the cover cleaned up. Time to install the new gasket, and the O-ring was like rocking horse droppings to find. So after much fighting, me and Chris are sick of seeing plastic and bolts. So the cover's on. We need one more bolt to do at the top, and then put all these hoses back in, coolant hoses, find out where they all live, brackets. Need to find sump protector, an engine. So, as the weather people have said, it's raining. So me and Chris are going to call it a day. I'm going to get some alcohol. But yeah, hopefully get it finished over the weekend. Catch you on the next one.